Hello, hello. Just want to tell you about some more stuff. The war between me and Buddha is over at last. It turns out Buddha really is God. Is Matthew Perry. Is Tom Jolly. Tom Jolly is actually Matthew Perry's like self but older. Both have been decapitated, by the way. God is definitely dead this time, not just a fight. I want to say this stuff weren't propaganda, and I didn't tempt the guy either. It was all real. Um, Tom Jolly, I'm just going to say it one more time, though it's a bit annoying. Tom Jolly is definitely Matt Perry. Tom Jolly is definitely Buddha. Uh, Buddha in human form, he is actually massive, as I said, but he's basically fitting in a bit. Other news, um, a girl at a university in Carolina, or college, I think it's a university, has been posted to the university's Facebook where uh, she, she's been raped by over 70,000 men, one after the other. That woman is apparently my dad. Okay? Other people might be hearing it. I'll just explain it. Hold on 2 seconds, sorry. He's in it. Wheel like here. It's basically that you. I mean, I've known it for ages. I just get battered. His dad is not his dad. He works for an army. Says he's you from the future, etc., etc. It's just a setup in case you lose against. Sorry, it's just a setup in case you lose against a certain army where they want to put you through that later. Okay. Um, I'm thinking this is going to be a loop. I think it's very dangerous. You know, in fact, it's scaring me. It's scaring me with other things and all about the earth. Basically in the 70s, related to 9/11, very related to 9/11, and I'm thinking this is one of the most dangerous loops that's ever existed. Besides that, the other thing I've got to report is weird noises. You're hearing weird noises in your house. Scuffle. It's that someone is crossing over wall money with hospital care money. So that's it pretty much. You need to just be careful of hospital monies crossing over with your house. Um, what else to talk about? All I would say is one thing I'm noticing is if this is the low scale of confidence and this is the high scale, and this is the low. Sorry, this is the low scale of bunker entrance. They're a high scale confidence, low scale bunker entrance, low scale bunker entrance. Sorry, let me do that again. If this is high scale confidence and this is low scale bunker entrance, it's basically going like this at the minute. You know, their confidence is going down. I think that's good. At last, it took a long time. You know, even in death, you still just thought it's all going our way. Yeah, that's it. A bit boring at the end there, a bit annoying with the fingers, but that's all I've got to report. Listening piece, but bit as you did change after the end of the time, a bit on your own. Because as far as Tim Allen, anyway, there's Matthew Perry, but still, Matthew Perry too. Goodbye.